Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and this is a third grade game called Push Up. So the students are going to start with a deck of cards. They're going to remove the 10s, 11s, and 12s. So that will give them 0s to 9s that they will have. And a dealer will shuffle the cards and then deal each player 3 cards, including themselves. They can deal to themselves. The player is then going to take those 3 cards and arrange them in any way that they want to, but they're going to create a 3-digit number. Now the students are then going to round to the nearest hundreds. So in this case, this 7, 5, and 3, we see that he has a 5, which means 7 is going to round up. So the player would move that 7 up to know that it's rounding up. So it would become an 8. So in order to recognize that, because I have a 5, I'm rounding up. If this one is a 3 and they're struggling with this, they can just turn that 3 card over so it's not showing, so that they know they don't have to pay attention to that card, just the 5. But in this case, this then becomes 800 points for them, and they'll keep track of those points in a scratch piece of paper. In this case, this player has an 8, a 2, and an 8. Because the 2 is right next to the 8, this one does not round up, so this player would not push that card up, but he can turn over these 2 cards so that they're not showing, so that there is, so that it shows that 800 if he needs that practice of knowing that that's 800. And then this case, this is 561. This 5 would round up, so it places it that upwards. And in this one, I'm going to say this is 309. In that case, the 0 does not make this one round up, so it just stays at 300. So each child knows which cards are rounding up and that that's going to become 1 higher, and they write their scores down. So the person who had the most points on that one would have been this person. The 8 would have been equal because they both have 800, and they both would write 800 on their scores. And they're working to get up to 10,000 points. So it's working on addition, but also on rounding. Enjoy.